Dogs love chasing a thrown ball. But what if there's no one around to throw the ball for him? Well, he does it himself. Meet Buddy, the rescue dog. Buddy has an insatiable appetite for chasing tennis balls and would bug his owner to throw the ball 24/7. In the end, his owner had to buy him an automatic ball launcher just to get some peace. Since Buddy can now chase a ball all day long, he is so happy. He even does a happy dance in anticipation, waiting for the ball to launch.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog.
Buddy does this so much, he's even wearing away the decking. Wouldn't life be great if we could all find something we enjoy as much as Buddy?